Okay guys, we are back. We had our mishap with the F-22. I really need a landing mode on here. I'm going to increase the bumps on the bottom a little bit so the elevons don't dig in. But let's talk about this. I am going to remaiden the J10. I have only the canards activated right now. The thrust vector tail is on, but it's not ready to go yet. All right, it's the same power system. It's a 4S64, and I got everything lined up, ready to go. CG was a little bit wonky on the first one, so I adjusted that. I think all we do now is just throw this guy up. Only thing I'm worried about is my magnet. My magnets are not as strong on this thing. I doubled up the magnets on the first one, so I'm a little bit worried about the magnets coming undone. But we have no wind now, so I'm going to run this up. I'm going to get this thing flying. Uh-oh. 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 What the hell was that?
So, apparently when I changed the CG nubs in my software, they didn't change. So I just flew this thing on the same CG as my first flight. This was really dumb.
I was definitely tail heavy.
Yeah, I think so.
I'm not sure. I had really low power. It was ultra tail heavy. Everything's working. I don't think I broke anything. I don't know if the battery was an issue. Nope, didn't break it. Thank God. I don't know if the battery's dead or... Oh, I did break the inside a little bit. Let me see. I don't know what happened here. I'm gonna have to see. Okay, so I was definitely tail heavy. I want to get a different, maybe a lighter battery in here. Let's see what I can do here. Let me get an 1800. $417. Okay, so we are super tail heavy. Let's move this up, because when you're tail heavy, you got a problem. It wanted to sit in high alpha, which is not good. I am way far forward now. No, I'm not. Am I? Am I? Let's get it more forward than that. There we go. That's better. Now let's get the canopy on. Okay. Let's run this up. Let's trim the front. All right, let's bring all the up trim out of the elevator, and let's do a sub trim on the front canard. Up, other way. Okay, and then let's sub trim the other canard a little bit. Down. Okay. All right, let's give this a thrust run up and see if we're good on thrust. Feels good. Let's try this again. All right, ready? Let's give it a throw. Yes, much better. It's still tail heavy, but it's flyable. Still a little bit, but it flies good. Wow, okay. Whoa, okay, all right. It's flying good, very maneuverable. It likes to sit in its high alpha.
You always say that.
Like my other planes. All right. It could, you know what? The CG, I'm definitely fighting. I'm fighting it wants to sit in high alpha when I throttle up and I let go of the stick. So the canards are fighting me.
No, dum-dum, you've had the incorrect CG the whole damn time.
Wow, flies good though. Flies really cool. I'm gonna just take this in because I'm trying to learn this thing. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. I'm fighting. The canards definitely have too much. The canards definitely have a little too much authority, I think. And that's kind of my problem. Oh, front dug in. Hope I didn't break it. I really want to get another flight out of this thing. Let's see what we got. Everything's working. I am going to let's see what I'm gonna do. Nope, we're good. Okay. I think what I'm gonna do is, I am gonna go slightly more nose heavy, and then I want to trim my, there's three things I can do. I have zero trim on my wing, on my main elevons. I have basically zero trim on my canards surfaces, and the CG is definitely, it's a little bit back. So I think what I'm gonna do is check my CG again.
I can't find the third J10 crash video on my memory card, so you'll have to take my word for it. It's kinda totaled and I'm printing a third J10. See you on the next video.